My name is Florian from VITRONIC. Today presenting BodyLoop, practical use of 3D body scans in sports, professional sports, medicine and longevity. I want to demonstrate as many use cases as possible to give you some understanding on what can be done with our body scan solution. BodyLoop is our new system. We offer a complete booth, so like a scanning solution, like hardware, and also accompanied with a software, complete software suite for body measurements. So we're using structured light, as you see, with green pattern projecting on the body, and white light for the texture on the body. All the data is processed centrally, locally on a PC, what is delivered with the scanner. We are using 32 auto-calibrated sensors and using 16 intelligent projectors, and the scan duration is below 1 second, so only 0.3 seconds. Scientific scan accuracy and precision below 1 millimeter. Easy to set up, and the booth height is 235, and we tried to keep it small. For the software, what I really want to highlight is the custom measurements with integration into default measurements. Of course, every application has different measurements, and you can include easily and define your measurements, and they are automatically integrated into your default measurement sets. Mainly is 3 applications. It's injury prevention, body tracking, and rehabilitation. Injury prevention, especially in professional sports, it goes along with asymmetry of athletes. Body tracking comes along, so if an athlete or a patient is under a certain therapy, it's always necessary to guide the patient to identify changes in the posture. And rehabilitation, I think this is a very important issue, especially when it comes to ACL injuries, for example. So use case number 1, professional sport, asymmetries and swelling detection. We are using reference planes and a depth view to identify very quick asymmetries. If there is any asymmetry from right side to the left side, and the better view is with the depth view. So here we see by colors to show us areas where we have a larger distance. There is sort of a rotation in the body, starting already in the hip area. When we go more in detail about asymmetries, we can use the body axis. And here we can measure then the rotation in the hip area and also in the shoulder area. Swelling is really like a key indicator, of course, among others indicators, of an early stage of inflammation due to physical impact or external injuries and or pathogens. We do a quick swelling check. So we just simply, for example, compare the left and the right leg. So here it's almost identical, meaning does not show any swelling. But if I want to go in more detail, so that would be a typical situation when we're using a player's dashboard excerpt. We do scans every day, and then we're gonna have a base reference. So this base reference is done in normal condition. So if we see an indication that there is a swelling, especially then when it comes to day 0 after competition, so we are increasing then the swellings. So definitely the head physio would say we need further examination, MRI. So in the medical area, so leg length differences and leg axis are of interest. And the assumption is, so if there is a leg length difference of approximately 9 millimeter, can already have a structural and postural effect on the lumbar spine. So this is fully automatically done. We measure the upper leg and left side, right side, and the lower leg, left side, right side. When we have a look at the leg axis, we reduce the skin opacity so that we can look into our skeleton model. Including the leg axis, left side, right side, we see a minor difference of about 3 degrees. Use case number 3 in longevity is about posture analysis and body tracking. Basically, body posture may have impact on pain disorders, functional performance, and skeleton disorders. And when body scans are done in combination with MRI scans, I get a holistic picture and I can fully assess the body over a long period of time. Once it is done in combination, Body scans early identify progradient skeletal developments to control the effects. This is like the real view. So landmarks are taken on the MRI scan, landmarks are taken on the body scan, and then they are matched both together and used as a holistic picture for assessment of the patient. And thank you very much.